Señor mean. This is your last day with this ugly hair? All this hair is gonna be gone. Those big old claws too. You smell your little dog and give you a nice bath, nice shower. Paw? Señor mean? Oh, you smell dog. You look all clean after this. Well, I'm going to my band practice, kind of. Well, we're gonna move all our stuff to the new studio where we're gonna be practicing at. I gotta pack up my drums and move them, and everyone else has to move their shit too. So it's pretty cool that we finally got our own place to jam out, loud and cool, and loud and cool, and loud and cool. Well, I just got to the band room and blah, 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 blah. I need to take this apart. I need to put my drum set to those bags over there, and the cymbals in there, and all the hardware in there. And it's gonna probably take forever. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Well, I managed to fit everything in my car. Cymbals, the seat, my extra snare, camera, bass pedal, I don't know, toms, and I got my carpet so the drums won't move while I'm playing, and I got a couple more things in the back of the trunk. I'm gonna head off to the studio room and play and set up there. Maybe we'll get a quick in jam or something. We're also about to take band pictures. Yeah, we just set up everything at our practice place. Check this out, my drums. Yup, that's wrap for a lot of work moving our shit, especially just my stuff. My stuff's a lot of work, assembling, adjusting, this and that. Yeah, so we worked out a schedule, and our next practice is Thursday, and our next show is April 20th at the Skylark Cafe in Seattle, West Seattle. That's pretty much it.